Okay, what's up guys? We are in the mail merging. Let us now finish the masterno mail merging key and cardinate. Now once I've grenade the mail merging. Marko haramna waxaan diyaarinay warqadii waa qornay waatana data source kina waan diyaarinay oo waxaan gelinay with I think at least 4 teachers aan gelinay. I want to make finally merging. Waxaan tagayaa idinkan kala save gareena hal mar lay wada sameeyay mooyee u dhow kuwaanan dhanna maana way ka halaabayaan. So I can now start. I go to insert recipient, select recipient. I can say now use existing list because I have already prepared and I save it on the desktop. I click, I saved teachers. The file was ahead teachers and grade watana microphone, then open and I open as conversion man hadda markii hore way dansanayeen mugtay kadib waxaan leeyahay insert match fields koro ku dhufan kartaa ama hoos aad isticmaal kartaa mid koro isticmaal kartaa easy ah oo ku dhufanaysaa title insert ale then close space ama space siinaysaa. You can also select here down inta ka select gareynaysa kartaa inta ka sii macaan first name inta aska dheer dheerato space in the meta marabis last name inta insert match field age inta insert match field city. So I cannot see here something, but later I'll see the actual data that I have already inserted. Then final step, I select now finish match. I can edit individual documents, print documents, and send email. If you want to do all this one, if you don't have email or a printer now, you click edit individual. That's the normal one. I tell already okay, but you click OK. Now you see what's happening here. The first person was Master Moha, last name was Ali, his age was 30, from Mombasa. That was the first person. Each and every page has got his, it is each and every one is individual. This person Mrs. Felice Ahmed, age 80, from Nairobi. Go to the other page, go to the other person. The data, make sure all the titles are the same, the address and the content, the information are the same. But what device waxa kala duwan is the receivers. Sheikh Abdi Isaac 48 Malindi, from Malindi came out. Okay, is there anyone remaining? No. That was all the people. Hadii alla boqol aglinad boqolka maanta dhan way online. You see that? That's why 3 person aglinay 3 pages ma ku jiro. Marka mail imagine halkan ay ku dhamaatay. Waxaan sameyn doonaa the last lesson, which is now 23. Midkan wuxuu ahaa, this one was 22. The last 23 tutorial in word processor, which is printing. Mission Kurano. Please subscribe.